One of the tools I use all the time on my YouTube channel is TubeBuddy, and there's a ton of features they have, but one I've been using more and more is their thumbnail A/B testing. In this video, I want to show you after you've used it, then what you can do to get more views on your videos. Hey there, I'm Kevin Kolbe, and this channel is all about helping you do more with video so you can share your gifts and make an impact in the world. So if you're not that familiar with TubeBuddy, or maybe even the A/B testing, the thumbnail A/B testing, watch a video I did on that. The card's up there somewhere, wherever the card is. There's a link down in the description. I actually show you how to use it. Now, you do need to be on the Legend plan for that. If you're not, there's a link down in the description where you can actually try TubeBuddy and their paid plans for 30 days. Let me show you what happens though after you've done the A/B test, exactly what you can do then to change the thumbnail if you need to get more views. Let's hop on the computer. So when you've done your A/B test, you're gonna get an email like this, and it'll tell you your A/B test is done. You go to TubeBuddy, and I'm already signed in, but this is the one I'm doing, and it was on the video, Does Gear Matter? There was the original, and there was the variation. And what this is telling me is, based on the click-through rate, we believe that the variation of your video outperformed the original by 41%, and it gives you even more information. So typically what I do is when, I go with what TubeBuddy tells me. So here it's like, heck yeah, let's go. If that's more clicks, you can see more average view durations, more views. So this is what's really cool. You just go set video to variation, it's updating, and bang! Just like that, now the video will be set automatically, the thumbnail, to the variation. No more guessing on which thumbnail is working. This way you know which thumbnail is getting you more clicks, leading to more views. I hope that helps you. I hope you consider subscribing and maybe liking the video too. And by the way, if you want to find out more ways to use TubeBuddy, check out one of these videos right here. Hey, I'm Kevin Kolbe. I'll see you in the next video.